and Ashika is going to present the smart waste management system using the design thinking based approach. First, Ashika will explain what is the DT based stages and how it is implemented in terms of DT based approach.
Hello everyone. Today we are going to present a project about on a DT based case study on machine learning. In this we are explain our unsupervised learning with waste management system. So there are 5 stages in DT. First one is empathy, and second one is define, and third is ideate, fourth one prototype and testing. In define stage we are in empathy stage we are empathize the problem in our user stand. We are standing in user's shoes and collect how users are facing the problem and how they struggle with that. So in define stage we are defining how the core problem or core statement of the problem. The define stage is very important in design thinking because it's the stage we are going to present the problem. We are going to analyze which problem we have to solve. So in ideate phase we are generating more than ideas we get, and we select the best one to optimize, best or optimized one to solve the problem. In prototype we generate the prototype for the problem based on design thinking, and then we test our prototype with the users and get our feedback.
Introduction of our problem statement is we are selecting the problem in smart waste management system. The smart waste management system is a major problem in our society. It is used to Uber areas. So the solution of the problem is three types we are including supervised, unsupervised and machine learning to solve this problem.
So empathy of the problem is we are collect some surveys from the workers who works on the dustbins, and they are telling that many bins are overflows. Okay, in Uber areas and rural areas, many waste bins are overflows, and many city people feels bad smells, and many waste items they are not able to categorize the biodegradable and degradable products. So we are going to solve this problem using design thinking.
Now I will explain the different part. The actual problem is city look an intelligent system to analyze the waste to manage in urban areas. First we can see what is our objective and build an AI based smart view management system that can detect the waste patterns and predicts the garbage levels in every part of the city and in the rural areas. Optimize collection routes and improve recycle efficiency. By this we can use 3 types as Aarti said, supervised, unsupervised and reinforcement. And first supervised is works based upon the labeled data, and unsupervised works on the unlabeled data, and reinforcement works on the reward based and penalty based process.
Okay, so the next stage is going to be ideate, where you will be choosing the optimized solution. So here let's be taking about the unsupervised learning. So in unsupervised learning, unsupervised clustering, there will be clustering technique where there are 3 types of clustering. One is the K-means, another one is hierarchical, and the last one is density. So first, how does the K-mean clustering is going to be useful in this smart garbage collection system means? So if we know the total number of areas where the garbage is present and it is already predefined means, then we can be using the K-means clustering. Based on this, we would be able to collect all these things. And the next one is going to be the hierarchical clustering. It would be containing 2 types. One is the agglomerative clustering and another one is the divisive clustering. So the agglomerative clustering is a top down approach, and then divisive is bottom up approach. So in this we are going to be collecting the whole data from a certain area and then going to be storing it in a specific place. Whereas in case of divisive, from a whole area we will be separating into different components. And the last one is going to be the density based clustering, where it is very used for finding or detecting the outliers. For an example, how it is going to be used in a real case is that if there are large number of areas where the garbage is said to be full of products or waste things, then we would be identifying the area which is having a large number of garbage present. So it is used for identifying those kinds of reductions.
Okay, so we have seen the empathy, define and ideate part. Next, what we have to do is create a prototype and we have to test the model. So, as as we know, in the cities, for the garbage overflows, we can train the model such that it predicts if the garbage bin is at the risk level or it is going to fill. Then we have to alert the garbage department to collect the bin as soon as possible. So we can, as we see, there are three types of learning: unsupervised, supervised, and reinforcement. So the most preferable one that we can use is supervised learning, because we know we just have to predict the two possible outcomes: the garbage bin is filled or not filled. So we are supervised learning. We can train the model. We can make the model learn. Like it will classify the objects as wet waste or solid waste or dry waste, and also it will look after the bins about. It will tell whether the bin is filled or not filled, and like that it detects if any bin is filled or is going to be filled soon, and it directly intimates the garbage department. So what it does is it will reduce the overflow. So the ultimate goal will be reached, and if it reduces the overflow, then the pollution or the creepiness all will be avoided. And also, after the model is created, we can implement in the real life. We can use it in the metropolitan cities or crowded areas or the places where the garbage are being continuously dumped. So if we attach a model with the bin, then it can actively detect the overflow or the filling of the bins, so that it allows the municipalities and the government departments to detect the overflow as soon as possible. So we have created a prototype and we have tested also. So by combining all these 5 stages, we have successfully identified the problem statement, created an innovative solution, and solved the problem. So this was our solution.
Thank you.